Hi, I'm Tioh. Let's take a closer look at one of the eyelid mechanisms inside of one of my 3D printed puppet heads. What you can see here is the eyelid moving up and down, and right here is the bicycle brake cable that is used to push and pull on the eyelid. Well, the newer versions of this eyelid are completely 3D printed. This is an older version that had a lever stuck to the eyelid, just with some black morph. That black part where the cable connects is hand molded in this case, but if you use one of the newer versions of this model, that's all 3D printed. The mechanics are still the same. So, and in the inside of the eyelid we have the eye itself, which can be moved left to right. And here you can see why the cable is so far away from the eyelid. If it were nearer to the eyelid, it would block the mechanism for the eye movement. That's it for now. Bye bye.